Hello viewers, how are you today? I hope everything is in place. I am set to take you through the set 5 sounds. But before I do so, I just want to talk about my videos. I have got 2 videos. One that I teach a sound, and the other one I teach a set of sounds. So this one that I teach a sound is just to show you how you need to present a lesson in a day for beginners. And when doing so, a learner is acquiring all the language skills just in one lesson. When I read a story or when I tell a story, they are acquiring the listening skills. When I'm telling them to blend the words and read, they are acquiring the reading skills. When I tell them now to form on air, they are acquiring the writing skills. And when I tell them now to speak out, to sound out, they are acquiring the speaking skills. That is why we teach that way, or I may advise you teach that way. A sound in a day for beginners. Okay, let's continue with today's sounds. My first sound is here. Okay. Sound Z for zip. Z. We do like this with both hands. Z for zip, like a bee buzzing. Z. Okay. And then my second sound is W. W. You go like W, like you are surprised. W. W for wing. W. W. Wing. My next sound is a digraph, remember? Like you're lifting weight in a gym. Students usually like this sound. I don't know why they usually laugh when they do. I don't know why they laugh. They know themselves. Okay? So, for strong. For strong. Then we have for van. Boys also love this because they like vans. When you just talk about vans and they're like for van. Then we have this one. They go together because we have short U and long U. U for short, book. Then U for long, spoon. U. U. So the sign is U, book. U, spoon. We pull. The long U, we pull. It's just for pronunciation. But when writing, we just write the same. Okay? Okay, now let's go together through the sounds randomly as usual. Z for zip. V for van. For strong. W for wing or wind. W. Then this one I told you they go together. U, 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 U. Book. U, spoon. Just get to know the pronunciation. U, U. Okay. Now let's start blending words. I want to use single flashcards. So I have this one here. I want to form this word here. So I have I, sing. I, sing. And I always like clarifying. We have short I and we have long I. So this one is I. I, sing. Sing. Okay. Then we can make another word like this one here. We have short U, so we have B, U, K, book, B, U, K, ba. When I add U, I get boo. When I add K, I get book, book, book. When I take away this sound, I like taking away because This one helps in sounding out. When I take away b, I ask learners ook. When I take away oo, I remain with k. So, sounding, they're sounding out the sounds. And they can identify the sounds. Okay, let's do another one with single sounds. Let me do this one here. We have a, van, a, van, a, met, va. When I add n at the end, I get va, a, met, va, 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 va. When I pick up n and put it at the end, va, makes van. Can you hear me say va, makes van? Yeah. Okay, now let's go to word flashcards. I have this one, van. I put the dots, we put the dots to show the number of sounds. 1, 2, 3. Van. L, O, long. L, O, L, long. L, O, L, long. Okay. Then we have oo, oo, When I put n at the end, we get moon. We have b, a, z. Remember, we don't say b, a, z, z. That's why there are 3 sounds. These are 2 letters, but they only produce 1 sound. We tend to teach learners so that they grow knowing that b, a, z. So what you can do if you're maybe dictating, telling them, can you write for me the word b, a? You're showing the difference between the a using the signs b, a, and then z 2 times. B, a, z 2 times. You are dictating. They'll know it's b, a, then z 2 times. So they'll write z twice. Okay? Then you have et, vet. How many sounds? 3 sounds. 1, 2, 3. We have b, r, I, n, bring. B, r, I, n, bring. How many sounds? 1, 2, 3, 4. Is a digraph. Okay. Then we have l, ook, look. L, ook, look. L, ook, look. Okay. Then we have now sp, oo, spoon. Sp, oo, spoon. Okay. Then we have w, oo, wool. W, oo, wool. How many sounds? 3 sounds. Oo is a digraph. Then we have z, I, p, zip. Z, I makes z. When you put p at the end, we get zip. 3 sounds. Then we have st, r, o, strong. St, r, o, strong. When learners are used to this, my friend, you'll get it fun. And they also have fun. They laugh. They're like, when they read, we'll see some of them doing, because they're like, oh, did I make it? Did I read that long word? So we develop their confidence. Okay? Okay. Thank you very much for today. See you next time. Bye.